Hi everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about another amazing song and performance by Dimash, Love is Like a Dream, which was also requested by many of you. So I'm very excited. I'm not gonna talk, let's listen, and after that I'm gonna talk. Alright, let's do it.
Я в глаза твои, как в зеркало смотрюсь. Отражение потерять свое боюсь. Не хочу, чтоб я лишь гостем был в сумраке ночей и в судьбе твоей. Я люблю тебя, как любят в жизни раз. Словно солнце в мире не было до нас. От забот и мелких ссор я тебя увел, и ключи от счастья для тебя нашел, для тебя нашел. Любовь, похожая на сон, сердец хрустальных перезвон. Твое волшебное люблю я тихим эхом повторю. Любовь, похожая на сон, счастливым сделала мой дом. Но вопреки законам сна, пускай не кончится она.
Okay, again, I hate to interrupt. Oh, okay, all right. Again, the way what I hear, okay, I need some words here. It's actually really hard to talk about his, not even the performance, what I feel, because anytime I listen him singing, it's like a little tornado. It starts to go inside my heart, inside my soul, inside my thoughts, and starts to bring up certain feelings, certain memories, certain experiences, and it's just overwhelming. Like I told you in a previous video, he's like music therapy, or he is music therapy, and that's what actually music does. If you allowed music to heal you, you actually let music go inside and bringing up all the shit, all the scars, everything, all the blockages that's inside your body, and then release it. And that's how I feel when I listen to him as well. Technically, obviously, beautiful how he builds up, and I'm already curious about the end, because I can imagine where it's gonna go. I really like the way he builds up the song. It's so slow, in a good way, I mean, because many singers try to rush into the immediately, and not him. He's slow, he takes his time, and that's what actually is very important in current life. Everybody's just rushing, and they just can't enjoy and experience the moment, and they're just running. They're passing the moment, passing the memories, passing the love, passing the happiness, and we need to slow down. And that's how I feel as well when I listen, for example, when the way he builds up the song slowly. Let's continue.
Я прощаю одиночество, и грусть. Ты сказала в них, я больше не вернусь. Так бывает только в сладком сне, но любовь у нас наяву сейчас. Мне в глазах твоих себя не потерять. До разлуки нам любовь не разменять. И немыслимой ценой, и своей мечтой заслужил я это счастье быть с тобой, быть всегда с тобой. Любовь, похожая на сон, сердец хрустальных перезвон. Твое волшебное люблю. Я тихим эхом повторю, любовь, похожая на сон. Счастливым сделала мой дом, но вопреки законам сна, пускай не кончится. Любовь, похожая на сон, счастливым сделала мой дом, но вопреки законам сна, пускай не кончится.
Oh, bravo.
Потрясающий тандем.
Oh, bravo. Oh my god. Oh my god. I said Uristen. Uristen it means oh my god in my language. Oh. Oh. This is amazing. This is beautiful. This is wow. I know I told this before, but every time I hear him singing a song, the way he builds up the song from the beginning till the end, what I feel that this is, every song is a different life, a different story, but not just a part of the story. It's like in the beginning he's born, and at the end he dies. That's how I feel, and it's like a proper lifetime, because he gives so much, and not just like so much. It feels like when he sings one song, even in one song, he's giving it all. And can you imagine how much I don't even know, like, I don't even know that power is the right word, because it's not the power he needs for that. It's just like, but he needs to be very strong is for this, to being able to give so much. And that's how I feel. Literally, he's giving it all in every single song. So I can't even imagine what kind of experience it could be like in a whole concert, because he's giving it all. He's giving this much energy, emotions, so, I don't know, power. I don't even know. Like in one song, and he's doing like an hour show. Like, how do you feel after the show? Like, oh my god, like like how do you go home after this? How? You cannot go home the same person as you arrived to the show. Let's say that you go to his show as a person, and at the end of the show, you can be the same person after listening this man for an hour. I just imagine that after an hour of show, or hour, maybe two, God knows how long, my whole life is gonna just, I experiencing my whole life from the birth till now, and I'm like, oh my god, and this happened, oh, and at the end of the show, I'm like, I'm actually healed. What happened? Dimash happened. I'm just. He has such a light inside. He's so full. He's so rich. And I'm talking about richness here, not here. Here. Have you heard that expression that you can't give what you don't have? And it means that so many people wants to give, happiness to other people, joy or whatever, like especially if you're talking about parents and children. Parents want their kids to be happy, but if the parent is not happy, that parent cannot make the children happy. Do you know what I mean? You can't give what you don't have. If you want your children to be happy, you need to be happy. If you want children to feel love, you need to feel love. If you want children to give love, you need to be able to give love. And that's what I mean when I say that he is so full. He is so rich. He is abundant human being. And we need that. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Yeah, it's hard to actually not cry when I'm just listening to him. I think you know what I mean. Okay, well, yes, thank you very much for recommending this song, because this was also just an incredible performance. I actually feel dizzy. What's going on? I feel dizzy. And I'm shaking. What is happening? What is happening? Who is he? Ooh, okay, I need to lay down after this. Yes, so thank you very much. Please keep sending to me new songs, new ideas, new singers or new songs of him, because I am more than open to listen to him and anyone else. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to post below the video. If you want to subscribe for more videos, please feel free to subscribe. I'm trying to read everyone's comment, because you guys are so lovely and so kind. I am always so overwhelmed when I'm reading your comments. I sometimes don't even know how to give back this kind of love that I get from you. I receive from you. So thank you very much. Yes, if you have any questions, like I said, post below the video. Any recommendations, post below the video. And thank you very much, and see you in the next video. If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site, where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations, And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video, so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much and see you soon.